Hello friends, welcome back to Premier Finds. My name is Michelle, and as promised, I wanted to show one of my delayed items that I got myself for Christmas. I know it's been a while, but without further ado, I want to talk about and present my newest fragrance from Louis Vuitton, from the house of Louis Vuitton. It is Attrape-Rêves. So I'm going to unbox that. This is a true unboxing. I purchased this back in December, never opened it, and I am enjoying this experience just for you. Saved it just for you, so here we are. And as I'm doing this, thank you for coming back, or if you are new, welcome to my channel. All right, here it is. Presented this way. Okay, they did a wonderful job. This was their Christmas packaging. If you buy it at any other time of the year, their fragrances just come in a beautiful blue box is what I've seen. And here is the presentation here. Louis Vuitton Attrape-Rêves, a very popular women's fragrance. We will get into this, but I will explain to you how and why it is also worn by men. It is designed and labeled and marketed as a women's fragrance, but there are men that enjoy this fragrance. So here we are. Open it this way. So sorry. And here we are. Attrape-Rêves. Some of the tops have the insignia in silver. Maybe that's for men, and the gold is for this particular one. The case is very strong. You lift it up this way, and there you are. The Attrape-Rêves. I've heard it pronounced attrape-reves, attrape-reves. It's a little of everything. I think we may all be butchering that name, but this is indeed what it is. I love that presentation in the box. I think it looks beautiful on a counter as is. Now, this fragrance was introduced back in 2018, so it is not a new fragrance, but it is indeed a favorite among many. The beautiful thing about this is that I love the top, the insignia there. That is beautiful. It's just a very beautiful bottle. This is, I want to make sure, 100 milliliters. Yes, 100 milliliters. They have larger ones as well. Many people think that this is a splash fragrance in terms of delivery, but it is not. It is indeed a spray. Okay, the atomizer. I am a heavy sprayer. The stem, if you will, is invisible. It is there, but it is invisible. You have to be looking right at the bottle to see it. And it just adds to the presentation, makes it a very clean look. Just a little information about the notes. Oh, this is a heavy, heavy magnet. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful. This is my first fragrance from the house of Louis Vuitton. You all know that I always show you, I get so many of these when I purchase small leather goods and bags and things of that nature. They always, my my sales associate, always gives me lots and lots of samples. Full of samples. I must have 4 or 5 of these things, and she gives them up. And as I was wearing it, this is the one that spoke to me the most. The other one that I enjoy is called Imagination, but that's for another video. So back to the Attrape-Rêves or Attrape-Rêves. It was introduced in 2018, and I am not a I don't know all of the notes, so I'm just going to read them to make sure that I don't leave any off. It has Turkish rose, bergamot, patchouli, lychee, ginger, and cacao. And I think it's the cacao that gets me. Believe it or not, I brought out this bottle because it does remind me of Delina, okay? It really does a little bit initially, not at the dry down, but when you initially spray it, it has hints, it reminds me of Delina, and I think it may be the cacao, okay? upon dry down, and what I mean by dry down is after it's been on for a little while, the patchouli jumps out at you, and that is why some men wear this fragrance. It's the dry down that they relate to. I can still smell, this is just delightful. It is absolutely delightful. It is fruity, it's fresh, and it is floral. And I tend to shy away from floral, and I'm glad that I didn't realize that when I just sprayed the sample, or I probably wouldn't have considered it, but this one is beautiful. It is beautiful. This one retails for, I think it was $330. So it's not inexpensive. It is an eau de perfume, so you're going to get more oil, okay, within that. Now, the beautiful thing about a fragrance from the house of Louis Vuitton is that with this one in particular, you can take the empty bottle back and you can get it refilled for $100 off. So I think once this is empty, I'll be able to take this back, and for, I guess, $190, they will refill it for you. So that is great. Comes in 2 different sizes. It is just, I love it. I love it. It is not over the top floral. It's not a new fragrance. It's just delightful. It really is delightful. It has a great projection, and it is long lasting. So this one again is $330. Is not inexpensive. You don't need a whole bunch of it either. It will stay with you. I think I timed it. I could still spray my sample. I could still smell my sample 6 hours later. So to me, that's a very long time. And it could have been longer. That's just when I timed it. So the Attrape-Rêves, or Rêves, however you want to pronounce that. It's a beautiful, beautiful bottle, beautiful presentation. And again, just want to show you for gift giving. This is the way you will take care of it. You will put it back in there, and then in the bottom, where did I do it? Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Oh, please, I'm coming. Oh, here you are. Right in there. And there you are, okay? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And I just wanted to give you an alternative. If you don't want to jump out there and say, Michelle, I don't want to spend $330 for just one fragrance, let me share something with you that I purchased that might fit the bill for you, okay? It is by MFK, Maison Francis Kirk de John. And what it is a fragrance wardrobe of some of his most popular scents. And let me show you that presentation. It looks like this. You all know that my all-time favorite scent is Baccarat Rouge 540. It is a tough one to beat for me. I love it in the regular and the original and or the Attrape. The Attrape being the stronger fragrance. But here you are in terms of presentation. This is the way that looks. And here you are. And this is the fragrance wardrobe. I just think that is beautiful. I think it is stunning. Again, it's from MFK. And I'm going to read to you some of the scents that are in this. Of course, it has the Baccarat Rouge, the 540, and the Attrape. I think those are on the 2 ends there. The other fragrances are the Aqua Celestia Cologne Forte, the Aqua Vitae Cologne, the Aqua Universalis, the Gentle Fluidity Gold, which is very, very popular, the Oud Satin Mood, and the Amorous Femme, and again, those other 2, the Baccarat Rouge and the Attrape. And I just think this is a beautiful way to discover and experiment with different fragrances. Whereas the Attrape-Rêves was $330, this wardrobe is about $250, $275, I think. And you say, Michelle, how do you enjoy this one? Well, you can. I have left it this way in my purse, and it does fine. There are no lids for this, okay? You just spray it as is. I have not had a problem enjoying it as is. I have not had any spillage. But what I decided to do was to buy the Globetrotter. It's an additional purchase. Is that not beautiful? Is that not beautiful? And it comes, you can store it in here. But the way this works is that you insert one of the fragrances from your wardrobe into your Globetrotter. So this clasp, oh my gosh, I'm pulling very, very hard. And strong is what I'm saying. By the way, if you are enjoying this content, would you go ahead now and click that little like button for me? I'd greatly appreciate that. Appreciate your support. So what you would do is you would take your fragrance, put it in there, all the way down, and there you have it. And this comes in silver and in gold. It may come in more. Those are just the two that I saw this day. Now, this is about, just the Globetrotter is about $250. I know, it is pricey, and you don't have to have it, but boy, is this beautiful in your handbag or in your travel accessory or your accessoire, okay? Depending on how you want to say it, it is beautiful. And you just open her up, give her a nice little, I'm wasting product there. Oh, it's just addictive, okay? So by the time you put these two together, it is more than the Louis Vuitton Attrape-Rêves, but for $275, you get to experiment with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 different fragrances for $275. And if you say, Michelle, you are crazy for paying that for that little globe tracker, trotter, whatever it is, I get it. But you can also just use as is. You don't have to have this, but it does make for a delightful presentation. And there you have it. So just wanted to give you a few alternatives. One of you wrote in the comments that you wanted to see some fragrance from me. So here you have it. And it was perfect timing because I had been promising you all to go through that Christmas gift from me to me with the attrape-reves, and I wanted to show that there are options out there. You don't have to go and spend so much money for Delina and other things. Go ahead and buy a suite, if you will, of a fragrance, and that way you can sample. So do me a favor, comment below and let me know, what is your signature scent? What is your go-to? What is your favorite fragrance? I'd love to know. Go ahead and comment below. There is so much more to come. I still have things I haven't unboxed from months ago. I hope you are enjoying this content. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, au revoir.